Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So, like the video title must have told you, today we will discuss about how you can save your money from getting lost by someone by compromising your OpenAI key. So, like the video title suggests, I have actually lost some amount because of that purpose. So that's why I am making this video so I can tell you how you can save yourself from such fraud. Okay, so first of all, like I will show you how it happened actually. So this is the usage screen, and like the video title suggests, the amount is here. Okay, and you can see the date where it almost used $166, while other days are like small amounts. So this one day where it consumed that much, that is not actually used by me. That was because the key got compromised and someone used that. I would have showed you the logs also, but because I deleted the key afterwards, so we cannot see that. But now the important question is how you can save your money. So first thing is guys, whenever you add billing here, like once you add the billing, make sure you have put the limits here on your usage. You can easily edit the budget here and keep the budget minimum so no one uses it more than the limit. And even if they use, you can actually get to know like something is going wrong. So that is the first mistake that I did. Like I have not added the alert and budget here before, so you have to make sure there is something here. Second thing is whenever you are adding a billing, don't select auto deduct. Okay, that will actually directly deduct amount from your account whenever someone will use that wrong way. The good part about mine case was I didn't selected the auto recharge, so it didn't deducted the amount actually from my account, but it started showing negative $186 here in the usage. So that is the second thing you have to remember guys, and now we will talk about what actually caused this trouble. So most of the time what people do is in the projects they keep the keys in the JSON files or config files in the project like this, and then they commit this on the public repos. So first of all, never keep your key in the repos. Okay, whenever you want to use the OpenAI key, make sure you have created the DB and you are picking the key from the DB, because then it will be more secure. And second most common mistake that we often make is we copy the key and we give the key to ChatGPT and Cloud AI, and we are like trying to create code for APIs or testing or whatever reason, but never ever paste your API key in the AI agents, because they remember the memory and someone can misuse those. So that is the thing you have to remember guys, and don't commit anything in the repos like on the GitHub or anything, and don't use anything from the web configs or app settings. And most important is put a limit on your account, and that will save you money for sure and will keep your account secure. So thank you guys, and let us know what you think about this. Thank you.